It's every miner's dream to hear we are going to list the token or the crypto network. All right, so in this video I am going to give you an update concerning the Tapswap mining network. Right, we are going to talk about the listing date, but before that there is something I need to show you. Are you ready? Let's get into it. I welcome you to this channel. If you are new here, please subscribe so that whenever I create a video, you will be notified. If you are an old member, then please like this video. All right, so now what is the first news? So the first news is for us to go to the channel. This is it. So Tapswap asked the community, which exchange do you want Tapswap to be listed on? And this is what people said: Bybit, and I also voted OKX. All right, so that means in the future, very soon, they are going to list it on either Bybit or OKX, even though Bybit won. But I think they will add OKX to the list. Immediately you hear this, what it means is that they are closer to the listing date. Don't worry, I have one which is going to shock you the more. All right, please like this video if you're enjoying it. Subscribe for future updates. Now look at this community. They have like more than 7 million people, and just check this side, 5 million people watch this particular post. So this particular Tapswap community is very great, and since they have crossed their members milestone, then there's no time for them to waste in listing this network. So now let's go to the second one that is going to shock you, which is this one. Hello, 10 million strong community. So now you can see, are you ready to exchange your hard-earned shares for Taps? And save the date. Tapspool is launched on the May 30th. That is when they are going to launch their pool, and most of the time when they launch their pool, they give like 1 week or let's say 2 weeks for them to list their tokens. Okay, so that means if 30th May is the day for the pool launch, then probably adding 14 days to it will be 14th June. So by 14th June, Tapswap is going to list, or supposed to list, its token in either Bybit or OKX. All right, so this brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, give me a subscribe if you are new here, and let's meet next time. Goodbye.